Hi friends, my name is Achut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class we will solve another problem. So let us write the problem statement. So we have to print even or odd in the list of integers. So in the list of integers we have to print even or odd. So I hope you understand the program. Sorry, you understand the problem statement. Let us write the code. So as we know, if we want to use the scanner class, we have to write the import java.util.star. So let us use the scanner class. Scanner s is equal to new scanner system.in. So let us give the n as an integer, sc dot next int. So why I'm taking the n integer? So we will use the for loop. So it should be ending with this n value. So whatever the user will give the input to the n value, so that number should be the end point. So it should be stop iterating from that number. So what is that number? The n value. So let us write the for loop. It should be starting with I is equal to 0 and I less than or equal to n minus 1. So why I'm writing n minus 1? Because it is starting from 0, right? So it is starting from 0. So that's why I'm writing n minus 1. Because if we start with 1, then we can write the n, because we are having 1 to n numbers. Like what I'm saying is, you can start with n, y is equal to 1. It can stop with n. But if we start with 0, if we start with 0, it should be end with n minus 1. Because we are starting with 0, right? Not 1. So we are minusing the 1 value from the n. Here we are counting 0 also. That's why we are writing n minus 1. I hope you understand. And after that, we will do the I plus plus. We will open the flower bracket. So in this, we will give another variable value, sc dot next int. So why am I giving value variable? Because each time we will give one input. We will give some input. So how many inputs we will give? Up to n inputs. So whatever the value which we give, so that much inputs we will give. So each time it will check whether that value is even number or odd number. If it is even number, it will print the even. If it is odd number, it will print the odd number. That's simple. Let us write this condition. If value mod 2 is equal to 0, we have to print the even number. So as we discussed earlier in the previous videos, any number with mod 2 which gives 0 remainder, then it is a even number. So that's why I'm printing the even number. Else, odd. So I hope you understand. So I have given the n input. We are traversing from n to, like we are starting from 0, right? So that's why I'm giving n minus 1. And I'm incrementing each value. And after that, I'm giving a value each time. So each time that value will be checked whether it's an even number or not with the modulus operator. If it is even number, it will print the even, or otherwise it will print odd. It's a simple program. I hope you understand. So let us run the program. So there is no error. Let's give 5 inputs. So 5 inputs is, the first one is 2, second one is 1, and 4, 3, 8. So the output should be even, odd, even, odd, even. See, even, odd, even, odd, even. So I hope you understand this program, and the output is also successfully executed, and the output is also correct. So if you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. So then only you will get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.